Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go! Statistical testing can feel overwhelming, but we will master this problem in 60 seconds by identifying the parameter, checking conditions, and selecting the correct test now. We are testing a claim about the percentage of voters, which is a population proportion. Since we have a single sample, we need a one-sample test for a population proportion. For proportions, we use the normal distribution approximation, which requires a z-test. T-tests are reserved for means when the population standard deviation is unknown, so avoid those for this problem. Option A is wrong because we test population parameters, not sample ones. Option C and D use t-tests, and E is for categorical associations. B is the only correct choice. Got it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't confuse t-tests or test samples. Always use z-test to test the population parameter instead.